Ever seen a dog tilt its head adorably at a strange sound? 3 reasons why dogs tilt their heads will surprise you, and the last one will blow your mind. First, dogs tilt their heads to hear better, helping them locate the source of a sound. Second, this action helps them see your face more clearly, especially your expressions and body language. Third, dogs tilt their heads to show focus and interest in you. Dogs tilt their heads not just out of curiosity, but to understand and connect with you better. Subscribe now, or your pet will judge you. Seriously, they're watching.